What is going on, my meta millionaires? I am your host, Terry Stonker, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we got a lot to go over. We got that Fintel information to go over, and we got the Nanotech information. Next week is going to be huge for Nanotech, so we got to go over the key dates for that, and I think we're going to be just moon mission after we get this Nanotech officially done. So let's get ready for today's video. If you are, smash the thumbs up, check out the links down below, and baby, let's go. Real quick, I just gotta say, the Ohio State, baby, we are stomping right now, 38-7 at halftime. Let's freaking go. Ohio State Buckeyes is on a roll today. Super excited seeing that, so go Buckeyes! Alright guys, so here we are on the premium Fintel version. I just want to put this out there. I had some people in the comments saying that Meta does not have 280 million shares outstanding. I just want to say, guys, that's what it's saying here on the Fintel. Shares outstanding, 279,782,854 shares according to Capital IQ. Now, I did say, we know because of the float, I think it was the MMAX shares, that it possibly is lower than this, but what the Fintel is showing is basically 280 million on the shares outstanding. So I just want to be transparent. That's what it's saying. Right now, we're looking great here on the ownership accumulation score, a 98.88, guys. Keep that in mind. We are ranked number 18 out of 21,798 stocks. This has gone up. I'll tell you what, I'll take this over a short squeeze, because what this means is the higher our ownership accumulation score means, this means the big institutions, the big totes, the big whales, the big money, Wall Street is buying this stock. And that's why we keep growing on the ownership accumulation score. METAMaterials is the first NASDAQ listed public traded company with METAMaterials. So they want to get in on it too, just like us. And here we are down at the new buyers. We got a lot of growth funds. We got small cap blend index funds. We got equity index funds. Fidelity Flex Small Cap Index Fund. Schwab Small Cap Index Fund. We got the US Small Cap Portfolio Institutional Class. And these are people here, another index fund down here. I mean, these look like actual index funds and small cap blend index funds. These look like people that are in this, and these are new positions, guys. Green rows indicate new positions, and these are people that bought these shares within 30 to 45 days. They just got filed in the Fintel on the 24th, so keep that in mind. That does not mean they were purchased on that day. This is the day that it filed with the Fintel. If we click this first one here, that let's say this one that bought the 130,000, we'll scroll down here, and you'll see the effective date was July 31st. So they bought these somewhere 30 to 45 days around that July 31st timeline. Keep that in mind with all these shares here. But this is phenomenal. Probably close to 300,000-400,000 shares are bought. And I don't believe that any of these people would be shorting their shares or lending them out because they're index funds. Now let's go take a look here at the short interest data. Kind of came down a little bit, actually. Still showing the short interest at 10.56%. That'll update here shortly. The short interest ratio is about 2.7 days to cover. Our short squeeze score is going down, which is okay. We want this thing to squeeze when it's up higher, not at $5. So I like to see that ownership accumulation score go higher before this would even think about wanting to squeeze. I like seeing that. So now we have a 73.75 out of 100 score. We're ranked 210 out of 5,501 stocks. Updated here, short shares availability, 500,000 at a leading prime brokerage. And if we go down here and look, the borrower fee is still pretty expensive at a 14.31%. So it's not cheap to borrow this stock. Now, when they borrow it, they can lend it, they could short it, they can hold it, they could do whatever they want with it, but it's going to cost them 14.31%, so keep that in mind as well. Here we got some data. On the 23rd, on Thursday, the FINRA volume was short volume ratio of 50.50. Yesterday on Friday the 24th was a 35.58. if you look over here at the combined short volume ratio, which is the FINRA, CBOE, and the PSX, if we look at Thursday the 23rd, it was at a 53.64 across these three exchanges. And if we look at yesterday the 24th, it was a 42.51. The short transactions for Friday the 24th, and here is the totals, guys. The total short sell transactions was 155 transactions. The total amount of shares shorted was 346,749 shares were shorted. That was $5,000 or greater on Friday the 24th. The total dollar amount of shares shorted, $1,793,506.02. I did want to point out a couple large transactions on the chart down here. This one individual shorted 23,191 shares, and they spent 120,000 racks. That's what I'm talking about, racks. My man spent some racks and big bucks shorting the stock. So, sir, we wish you the best in your future endeavors, because that $120 is going to be blown away when Meta goes to the freaking moon. So you can kiss those dollars goodbye, good sir. The update on metamaterial and the Nanotech court hearing and the vote. So MAT, the vote meeting is on Tuesday, September 28th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to require Nanotech SEC. The court hearing changed from September 30th to Wednesday, September 29th, 2021 at 9:45 a.m. And I believe it was because of a holiday in Canada is why this changed. Here it has the Nanotech ticker symbol, a leader in the develops of nano-optic security features that provide anti-counterfeiting solutions. And here is the Meta and Nanotech Security Corp logo. And I must say, guys, as you know, I've been in banking for over 18 plus years. I have that banking experience. And as in banking, there is a lot of counterfeiting. There is counterfeiting still to this day. Like I said, 18 years, I've seen it all, man. And you know who gets hurt the most? People go to a restaurant, they spend a $100 bill, and the restaurant takes the loss. Then then they go make their deposit at the bank, and we catch the error, and then that business has to take the loss, and it's just a bad scenario. So they lost money on giving, let's say, the product to the customer that used that $100 bill. So they kind of lost like double, plus if they gave change back off the $100 bill. So it ain't just a $100 loss when it comes to counterfeiting on just like one bill. It affects a lot of people down the chain of that. So keep that in mind. I'm super excited about the Nanotech acquisition and the counterfeiting because it hits home. It's what I do is banking. So, and all right, guys, we got George here actually commented back to someone on StockTwit. So I wanted to put this out here. He said, MMAT, hey, George, are we selling GlucoWise or is this fraudulent? And he tagged some people here on the GlucoWise modular. So this is very key. And he commented back a couple hours ago earlier today, and he says right here, we are not selling in any platform GlucoWise since it is still under development. This fake pharmacy also sells other products, and our legal team has been trying but not to yet able legally block them since they are out of Indonesia. So there it is, guys. There's a company out of Indonesia fraudulently stealing this product from metamaterials. So keep that in mind. This is kind of a big deal, and the legal team's going to be working on it. So just want to put that out there. This is a pretty big information that we come out with these products. There's always going to be someone trying to knock it off. So I know they're going to have all these patents, and that's what saves our patents that we have on our products. So other people can't do it, and if they do, it's going to be law. They're going to have fines and law all in place. Real quick, I did want to end. Someone was commenting. They saw me post earlier something on BBig, and they said, "Is this the real Terry on YouTube?" And I said, "Yes, I'm gonna have a video on Meta." So here it is. Follow me at Twitter at TerryZ247, and here I am. And I did just share a post on BBig. Ehor did this on Friday the 24th, and unfortunately, he didn't have anything on MMAT, unfortunately, because maybe we're not as big as a short squeeze candidate, but I'll still keep bringing you guys the information because that can change at any point. So we will go from there. So guys, Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, smash a thumbs up. I put a lot of time into editing this one with the edit and the sound effects and special effects and trying to make it pop for you guys and make it entertaining while you're here for an 8-10 minute video. If you appreciate it, smash the thumbs up. And if you don't like that, do it for the Ohio State. Give a thumbs up for that. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.